Okay guys, Arowana is coming. Ay, iguana. Ano ba to? Matapang? Andito kami ngayon sa park. May nakita kaming iguana. Ayan. Ang tawag din, ma'am?
Iguana.
Iguana.
Crocodile.
Cayman. Cayman. Arowana siya kasi nasa French. English is iguana. French, arowana. Okay? You guys stand corrected, okay?
Looks like you still have a hangover over your Brazil,
Brazil. Amazon.
the Amazon River takeover.
Medyo sunod na tayo. Hapli na ng aking likod.